This project is located on Shenzhen North Lulian, Tongda County, Huaihua City, Hunan Province. The screen width is 17.5 meters and the height is 6 meters. The original design purpose was to promote local cultural characteristics and media facade advertising. The requirements are lightweight, low cost, easy installation and maintenance. The most important point is to achieve naked eye 3D effect. And the surface needs to have patterns, watch the patterns during the day and play videos at night. Combining various requirements and excellent project design ideas, our company has developed a revolutionary XT series high-definition video light bar, which has the advantages of small size, lightweight, width of 24 mm, and height of 30 mm, high resolution, 64 pixel segments per meter, with a pixel spacing of up to p15.6. Quick and simple installation method, frame structure. Only takes 1 minute to install 1 meter. Detachable spray painted cover, no fading or discoloration for 30,000 hours. And the pattern can be easily replaced. Due to its high protection of IP67 and high reliability of DNX transmission, the owner ultimately chose this unique and innovative product. With the on-site guidance of our after-sales personnel, we successfully completed this outstanding new media display project.